Hi everyone, it's Deborah and I love to bake pies. So I'm going to use one of our HTS wonderful flour sack towels and make me a special towel to hang on my dishwasher, and it'll be all about pies. Hope you follow along with me, and let's go. From the many Cricut images about pies and baking, I choose two that I really like, and I size those onto a rectangle that is also the size of my folded flour sack towel. This will give me the dimensions I need to make my final image. To make sure everything is centered, I go into Select All and Align. Now, because I only want to use 4 colors, hence 4 mats, for my final towel, I go into Ungroup and start hiding some of the elements so I can put them on different mats. Then I go into Make It, and I remember to mirror my image since I'm using HTV, and I cut out my first mat. And then I just continued doing the same thing, hiding certain elements, putting them on certain mats. And once everything is cut, it's time to weed. To do the vinyl weeding, I sometimes wrap painter's tape around my fingers to catch the weeded bits. And when I do this, I notice I'm missing my most important thing, and that's my Tweety light. So I have to go get my Tweety light because it makes weeding so much easier, and we sell a ton of these Tweety lights. Okay, now let me show you how to press the vinyl onto the flour sack towel. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but if you like what you're watching, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Okay, I've already gotten a center line on my flour sack towel. Our towels are wonderful. They have beautiful rolled edges. All right, I'm going to put my yellow layer down first. I'm going to give myself a center line on that by gently pressing transfer tape. It's the first layer to go down, so we don't need a cover sheet. So it requires a warm or a cold peel. I love working with flock. It gives it a little bit of a different dimension because it's soft and it's not shiny. I'm keeping my transfer tape, and you'll see why in a minute. Next layer is the pie. And this is our matte vinyl, and it only requires a few seconds. I have my heat press set to 316. That's a warm peel, keeping the transfer paper. This is also matte, but it's kind of a shiny one. Oh, I picked up a piece. I'm going to put down this. I've made out of glitter. This is the whipped cream. I'm going to put that down first.
glitter is a Cool Peel, so I'm using our cooling block. This is matte, only a few seconds. One final press. Kind of cute. I'm going to think about this because I think it needs something else, but I'm going to think about it a minute. And I can't really see my glitter whipped cream, but that's kind of cool because it does shine.
Now here's a 1-minute bonus video on how to save and reuse your vinyl scraps.
All right, I just finished my kitchen towel, but I kept my transfer paper, my transfer tape, and I'll show you why. We crafters don't like to waste vinyl, so I'm going to make sure I have my vinyl correct side to the sticky side, and I'm going to just put that transfer tape back on. Spread it from the middle out to get rid of any bubbles. And this way you can reuse your vinyl.